Assaia is a company founded originally 2018 in Switzerland. We've now reincorporated as a US corporation a couple of months ago. And we provide AI-driven applications to optimize the apron in airports for the benefits of airports themselves, the airlines, as well as the passengers. And we are so far the only turnaround solution that's in a mission critical use at a number of airports and with a number of airlines in the world. We've monitored more than 3 million operations across hundreds of thousands of turnarounds. Next slide, please. Like at the core of what we're doing is the insight that for the last 30 or even 50 years, what's happening on the apron wasn't really managed properly because there was no way to get full situational awareness about, every turnaround that's going on the apron, every potential hazardous situation that's happening on the apron. And so our intention is to use computer vision to actually make the apron fully transparent. And this allows airports and airlines to finally manage these operations and drive huge improvements in efficiency, safety, and sustainability. Next slide, please. And so what we're seeing here usually for our customers in terms of benefits is 3 buckets, really. One is a more efficient use of resources. So we're seeing a huge decrease in the delays that accrue during a normal day of operating an airport or an airline. We see a reduction in ground delays, improvement in OTP. We see substantial improvements in safety as well. And we see a lot of wins that our customers are achieving on the sustainability side as well, decreasing CO2 emissions substantially. Next, please. And yeah, we collected a few success stories together with our customers. So for example, at Seattle Tacoma, we've been deployed since 2019. We've seen a substantial reduction in the excess gate holding time. And usually what's very exciting is that a lot of these operational improvements also translate one-to-one into sustainability improvements. And we see that this is a topic that is just becoming more important by the day. Next slide, please. And the fascinating thing about an airport, it's an ecosystem, right? Consisting of many different stakeholders, primarily the airport and the airline, but many different other parties as well, like the caterers, the fuelers, and so on. So every win for one party is really a win for a lot of other parties as well. And that's what makes the airport so exciting. And so we're seeing that Alaska Airlines is saving a lot of ground delays as well, and that translates one-to-one into economic benefits as well. And last slide, please. Yeah, and we see that the benefits that we're driving, for example, for Seattle Tacoma and Alaska Airlines at Seattle Tacoma, are actually replicable throughout the industry in different locations as well. So, for example, together with a great team at JFK IET, we were able to reduce the ground delay minutes by 5 minutes and drive $40 million in cost savings for the entire ecosystem. And this is really all based on machine vision. And that's really fascinating from my point of view.